Howdy there, folks. Didn't see you there. I was just thinking about vinyls and all the new ones that are coming out for Record Store Day, so I was pretty excited for that. But today I got something special. It's a limited edition, indie edition for Howard Shore for Lord of the Rings. You know, I'm always wanting more door vinyls. Howard Shore, they put out like a box set a while ago on like colored vinyls, a beautiful box set. It looks great, but I never got it. They released this. There's two different copies. There's a clear limited edition vinyl, and there's also a standard black edition vinyl. It says, I wanted the clear one because, boy, I don't know why that sounds exciting, but so I'm gonna unbox I got all three of them. I got, Fellowship. I got Towers, Return of the King. I got them all. So I was like, man, they're gonna go fast, I'm sure, but they are on limited edition standard black vinyl as well too. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox those puppies, take a gander at them, see what they look like. Lord of the Rings, unboxing. I mean, this thing looks tight. They box it tight. So I got it through Zia Records. I always want to see how they box it. So I got it through Zia Records. But this is a tight boxing, so I'll take it inside and I'll undo it all. But man, this is gonna look good. This is gonna, oof. All three, yeah, just like, ooh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Look at those vinyls. They look gorgeous. It's gorgeous. All right, let's check them out. Wow.